Nana ya brefo ama ne hunu part 1 and 2. Nana ya brefo ye obi a se obo ne ho modern pa eba media fraternity ni man onfa ne journalism endi agoye nyina ye nim se obo ne ho modern ye wa bra ofri multimedia eba enjo asisi a kopie mu ewo nua a obo ne ho modern yie pa sisi a nana ya brefo ana ganafo no bi ede o manu asi ne ho omode na ye tuapia ede twitwiri o mo se waba a obekasa ne nsem a waka nyina ne se Mama me hu ntomi o na sabi emetie bia no mepema de esa.
And you choose to insult me even when I post my own personal picture. It's your business. So if some you're crossing now to page no so say obedi my time say you crossing you are worse than me. You understand? And believe you me, those words doesn't is now boot for boot. Oh yeah, me ameyobi. Udi matemedubi. For political reasons you are there to insult me, I would insult you back. You are an idiot. If you do that, who you crossing you say me?
Let's talk GH rumors. And then the first time I'll put into my video, Mr. say, subscribe, mama no click it on notification bell and any upload be maybe on sabit me aka na wa share my for father share na wa like it. Don't forget to any comment be a one so ubeja comment section Nana ya brave for media personality journalist papa kopiem e UK ene wodi eni gie a wodi ehu se snow to no say oh the first time I wodi ehu se snow air to ni nti ene wodi eni gie aye video de aba to social media kire say wo hwe video na kire maami nani agi.
I'm so excited I'm back into the snow. I'm back in it. They were Portsmouth. Yeah, so where is the most expensive apartment? Called Catherine House there. And there's another one there called Crown Place. Yeah, I'm in one though, but and it's snowing and I'm excited. I'm told it's been years since the snow was gone. So I'm blessed. I'm blessed. And whoever pushed me out here, and that's it. Why? Whoever made this happen, because my chicken side has never happened. I've never seen snow before. This is my first time seeing snow, and I know this year is going to be good. We're going to end this year good. I mean, you said because of sickness, God's going to do it for me. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And it's snowing in Portsmouth, snowing in Portsmouth, snowing in Portsmouth.
Nebusia after say nana ya brefo e posti eye video ya yekohwe sisia na ni age say one first time I saw it so and then she was so excited genuinely na ni age say wenya sa feeling no for the very first time and so otu kwan da utia was otu kwan but first time wenya sa feeling ne say snow air to wa bra wo gine ma air touch my skin eno no after so this post we beto ho na ne Ghana phone bi say so mo gina de ebe wo any comment edi atem etemudie ensama kese ene nkofo ekeka ede kire maame no me be read comment ni bi na me say ebi wo ho abekom ye ma hyeme Ken Chinko or say you are happy in someone's country whilst your country is in a mess yet you will still come and defend the corrupt politicians. Not just this particular user and Dede Kenny was so edgy na ya brefo say wa ko bi man na weni akwaje weni age obi man ho na wo de weni nje ho ubesa akwa aba na fe politicians na o maye corrupt no waba no abi presume another user and again Ediblay or say haven't you traveled before any or busa say haven't you traveled before just obusa na ya brefo say untu kwa da na hwa na ya brefo say so mo gina de ebe wo say Eddie, this is why Ghana is where we are. Please listen to what I said. And boss have traveled severally. Not just so say, mo ye ka asema munti o. Video num no okay say what too quite be but feeling no says no to na wonya bi do we busa me say ademi too quite da na say o pa say any or the catch any say wono what too quite be another user needing Eddie Alex and Tim or say hey madam, we are no more villagers. Get out from our sight. Krasini, sebi. We did atem say ye. And it's a user way the eja. Was see a Ghana for any at Ghana ni be anyone. O ye krasini intino. Eye Nana Yambrefo empe baby and snakra Bernard Adomako Mensa or same. It's funny how some of our media personalities and top officials misbehaves themselves and act childishly whenever they travel. Your first time seeing snow and you are excited and showing us apartments. Really funny. Since when did some of you take over Chini Jonas TV jobs? Not to say, oh, Busani say, now I didn't necessarily media personalities, any journalists, now one as a more acted to say, Sebi Enkura, eh? First time I was snow to and we near Jessan and if free that bang and I must start to say, Chini Jonas said, Jumana Oyen, Moji Ayamano. Another is an idea, Eddie make happen, say, like, really? A journalist? I can't think foul. Ghana, when will the educated be educated enough? Chai, now wow, naturally say, or no dear, now some more can say, now journalist, by now you who say, now that bay and a mom must be educated when you baby, near Miss Ampara, we educated. Another is an idea, Eddie Abel Appa or say, why do people act like they're from the village when they see snow? We praise and boast of someone else's country, but we can do same for our own country. Not just say, or say I didn't see them. Nkɔfoɔ yi a ɔmo te sɛ sɛbi nkurasifoɔ ɔmo kɔdu obi man so a deɛ nkɔfoɔ ayɛ na ɔmo yɛ boosti ama ɔmo no yɛnsi betumi ayɛ bi ɛde ama yɛn ho ɛwɔ ha ɛna comments ne deɛ ɛsɛ w'ani kyɛ sɛ ebi mu ɛyɛ too harsh to the extent that mentimi reading intro because nsɛm no so attack personal attacks are more attacking. It's like some people made it look like they have personal issues with Nana Abrefo. And you post in keke because some of the comments is like omone mame no e wasem dada and e bi de ne body stature e bi de the way I was looking e di na tem. And so I'm so okoda jene ho na no aba no say hey Ghana for no ma mo sorry a obi page on one account a what na say create si wahye na edwuma mo sorry na ma betina wona wudi na tem no mu ni dwuma di won enye ono so akeka bi e de amane omo a omo hate no na omo di hate comments e manon.
I don't know what your problem is, so you guys, Charlie. More how Ghana phobia. I motivate me page so more how. Mube send me your bema, send me your bar. Mintu fee. Me fan what I will say, and I say me fan to also. It is my page. I do what I like on my page. And you time so if you are there, now did matter man also be. So what me page so and you choose to insult me even when I post my own personal picture. It's your business. So if you me a crashing now to page no so say obedi my time say me you crashing you are worse than me. You understand? And believe you me, those words doesn't is now boot for boot. Oh yeah, me ameyobi. Udi matemedubi. For political reasons, you are there to insult me. I would insult you back. You are an idiot. If you do that, who you kurasini say me? I've seen snow for the first time and I'm excited about it. I posted. You have a problem with it? Is it your page? Did you buy a ticket for me? For Christ's sake. But I wouldn't ayo, but wouldn't that, would me? At me age, not send me. And by this time, never be out in Facebook. Obi a churo bibi a no bi post bibi a unya ho e kwotro so. So wo sini wuni omobo obra. To say baby a me ma bobra ye duya. Kan ya ne so ti Facebook a ye twra no atro bi. By this time me post na so post bi. Me post ya na nka so post business class a what name. And now first class a wuti mu. En ye mo ya mo be wu. E be hye a hye papa. Hey, my goodness. You will die of pain, of frustration. Those who love me, love me. If you hate me, I am fine. I don't really care. And it hasn't changed me. So because when you keep doing that, it moves me higher and higher. What I say? Oh yeah, it moves me because saying the biamijina. Because you give me the numbers. Momuji me no man nay, baby, I make a be me jay 2 seconds, no be a family. No, I'm in position more than where I am. Mujimi empty. So keep fooling, thinking you yummy. Oh yeah, Jimmy Semqua. More dom me dom way. I'll keep posting anytime I like. It's my page, my personal page. If you have a problem with it, you can bend the sea. Unye could have seen you and cabin posted the about the town to Tanquasiasem. Or the mention, any page. I choose what I want to put there. You choose to pass by if a year to me come. But obey Jimmy, where did my tema? I'll answer you. Why? Then I said, chill.
Na nana ya abrefo ana akasa no say wa wo be sorry a wo be ba ni poster say abe comment abe kan nsem a yade a kire no wa so no wo ye bia ebi hye wani ase emfa ne ho nti wo ba sisi a put for put oka obekeka bi a kire wo di na tem obe di ubi enti no sisi a no enya agro ana wo di medi mani e bi a kire any update bi e be fi ho abia the sign e de ba bi so no me come say beto aba ehu behia sɛ ɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛbɛbɔ yɛn asomdwoe ho ban. Firi sɛ ɔman Ghana yɛ asomdwoe man. Me din de Nana Eki Asantewaa. Makram.